So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about SoundHound AI stock. Now what are the nearest targets we can expect from this stock? Let's discuss that. Today if we see, the stock is up by 8.8% and the stock is currently trading at $21.16. So in my yesterday video I told you that $19.74 is going to be a strong resistance price for this stock, and if we see a breakout of this level then we can expect more upside movement here. And the exact same thing has happened today. It has opened below this price and broke its resistance price here. So if it closes just like this, then we can expect further up move from here, and the first target then I will be expecting from this stock will be $22.42. This is the first target, and if this also breaks then we will see more upside movement here. So these were the levels for SoundHound AI stock. I hope you find this information valuable, and if you do then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.